You were never meant to be wealthy. And that's not a conspiracy. It's by design. The richest 1% didn't just work harder. They worked smarter, behind systems the public never sees. Now let me ask you 3 questions. Did you know the wealthiest families often pay 0% in taxes? Legally? Did you know many billionaires don't even own assets in their own names at all? And did you know passive income isn't their secret? It's protected ownership? Real wealth isn't loud. It's not the flashy cars, not the designer watches, not the viral Instagram posts. It's hidden, structured, protected. The world's richest quietly use 5 wealth multipliers, completely invisible to the average eye. According to Credit Suisse, over 45% of the world's wealth is controlled by just 0.7% of adults globally. Think about that. Less than 1% controlling nearly half the planet's money. Jeff Bezos, he owns far less of Amazon than most people think. His wealth isn't sitting in a simple account. It's layered, hidden inside trusts, ensuring asset protection, minimizing taxes, and building dynasties that will outlive him by centuries. Meanwhile, wealthy families are making moves you don't even hear about, quietly securing second passports from Portugal to St. Kitts to Malta, creating offshore havens, freedom insurance against any one country's instability. Your one job? Learn from them. Diversify your assets beyond single country risk, because one flag, one government, one banking system is no longer safe enough. But what truly separates silent billionaires is not how much money they have. It's how they move it, how they shield it, how they grow it without flashing it. And next, I'll show you the hidden wealth highways that the public was never meant to see. Before you can build wealth, you have to unlearn everything they taught you. What if I told you that 99% of people are saving money in a tank that's leaking water, while the wealthy, they're storing it in pipelines that multiply themselves over and over? The rich don't save, they flow. They move money like energy, while the rest of the world tries to hoard it. Let's dive into the highways the rich use. Highways hidden in plain sight. Highway 1, life insurance policies as banks. The infinite banking concept. They don't just buy insurance for protection. They borrow against their policies, tax-free. They pay back themselves with interest. Their net worth stays invisible, safe from taxes, lawsuits, and even governments. Highway 2, private credit and angel investing. When the news screams stock market crash, millionaires don't panic, they smile, because long before the fall, they quietly shifted money into private debt, earning 8 to 12% returns, lending directly outside Wall Street's control. Highway 3, asset-backed lending. Did you know that billionaires don't sell their stocks when they need cash? Instead, they borrow against them at insanely low interest rates, sometimes just 1 to 2%. Selling triggers taxes, borrowing doesn't. They stay invested, they stay rich, and they keep the compounding machine running. Highway 4, real estate as wealth storage. Not homes. The wealthy don't buy real estate to live in it. They buy to store and multiply value. They acquire cities, industries, farmland, assets that feed cash flow, hedge inflation, and grow quietly year after year. And up next, I'll show you the #1 psychological move the rich master. One that schools, jobs, and even MBAs never teach you, because they were never designed to. The final wealth secret isn't money, it's mindset engineering, and it's why the rich stay rich across generations. Let's break it down. Principle 1, ownership without attachment. The wealthy don't emotionally attach to assets. They don't fall in love with houses, stocks, businesses. They build, they use, they move, they protect. If it no longer serves their bigger system, they let it go, fast, without looking back. Principle 2, Delayed gratification versus instant validation. Average people, they trade 1 minute of pleasure for 10 years of regret. The silent billionaires, they delay gratification, they plant seeds, they wait, and they patiently let the rewards compound beyond imagination. Principle 3, asset mentality versus expense mentality. When most people get money, their first thought is, what can I buy? But silent billionaires ask, what can I own that buys for me? They think in assets, not expenses. That's the real flex. Principle 4, staying anonymous. Here's a truth no one tells you. The wealthiest people you know are likely not the wealthiest at all, because the richest live invisibly, quietly, protected behind layers of trust, entities, and privacy. While the world chases fame, they chase freedom. True wealth isn't loud, it's strategic, silent, and built one invisible move at a time. Most people will scroll away. They'll forget what they heard today. But a few, a rare few, will do something different. They will build systems, they will compound assets, they will escape the matrix. You have two choices: watch others get richer or build your own silent empire. Don't stop here. Watch the other 2 videos on our channel: 10 passive income ideas for 2025 and how to build $5,000 a month from zero. Binge the full wealth series, Passive Income Mastery. Every video is a blueprint, every second an investment in your future. Comment below, I'm building my silent empire. Subscribe to Value Over Vanity, because here we trade noise for power. In a world addicted to vanity, only a few dare to build value. Welcome to Value Over Vanity. Your wealth journey starts right here.